Hello there, my friend, and welcome. You've probably seen people online saying they make thousands and thousands of dollars working from home as digital marketers. But is that actually true? As a busy mom, you don't have time to waste chasing something that won't pay off. So today, let's break down what digital marketers really get paid and how this could be your path to getting the time and financial freedom that you deserve. Make sure you stick around to the very end because I will be introducing you to real moms just like you who are earning thousands and thousands as digital marketers. But first, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. Originally from Malawi, I'm studying for my degree in business here in Dublin. I help busy moms who want to replace that 9 to 5 income so they have the time and financial freedom to do the things they love with their family. I help them learn the skills to build a successful digital business without having any technical skills, a huge following, or ever having to spend money on paid ads. Now, let's talk about what digital marketing actually is. It's just all about promoting your product or service online. So the world has gone digital and the world has gone global, right? And as a marketer, as a digital marketer, you can help businesses connect with the target audience online, or you can use these skills to promote your own products or services or other people's products or services as well. So you're only limited by your imagination. There's so much you can do with it. Now, average pay, I'm going to actually share with you. I did a Google research. You can see how much people are earning, and it's great for busy moms because you can work around your schedule. As long as you have the internet, you have a device, you can actually work around that. So let me go ahead, and it gives you that freedom and flexibility to be present with your kids while you're building your business. Let me go ahead and share my screen and share with you the site here that I came across. That's just, I came here. This is where people look for businesses promote ads and service providers, digital marketers have profiles offering the services. So I just did a quick digital marketing search, and you can see this lady in Pakistan. She's a digital marketing specialist. She's charging 20 euro per hour. She has a 100% success job, and you can see the different things that she does. Isha is in India, she's digital marketing manager. She does outbound and inbound marketing. Divashi in India, $9 per hour. And you can see a success rate. You can see how much they've earned. Divashi has earned 200,000 plus. Isha has earned 6,000, and this one here, it doesn't say, right? So there's all these different ones. This one is in the US, in the States. It's $14 per hour. He's earned over $1 million. Wow. 93% job success. You can see that as well. Another one in the USA, and Antonio, 95%, over 200,000 earned. So all these people here offering the services as a digital marketer. Now, last year, I came across this proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that was created by a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren. She went from zero experience, zero technical skills, zero following, to earning her first $1 million in just 17 months. And now she's on a mission to help 1,000 members of our community earn 6 figures. She's succeeded in helping over 110 members earn 6 figures. So I want to share with you the bonus site of this live interactive coaching and mentorship. This is our community. We have a thriving community of over 55,000 members. We have 123 online. If I had a question, I could ask it here, and somebody across the globe, they could be in Africa, Europe, Asia, South America, North America, Indonesia, New Zealand, everywhere across the globe could answer my question. And this is our live interactive coaching and mentorship. So we have mentoring with the founder coming up. We have another mentoring with Amy, who's a 6-figure mentor. We have legacy builder training, and we have tech calls. So all this training is available here. And the classroom is where we have additional tools and resources to help us build our business. Our 30-day momentum is where for 30 days, Well, multi-millionaire mentor is sending us a video, just helping us grow our social media channel. We're on day 14. We have cheat sheets, PDFs, and short videos as well. We just finished a 90-day sprint where she did the same for 90 days. And we have free webinars every single week where our multi-millionaire and six-figure mentors do the selling and the telling for us. We have mindset training to help us get rid of our stinking thinking by a hypnotherapist. We even have a content votes where you can get content to upload to your social media. So let me just share with you what the wins some of the moms are having in our community. Lulama, 13 hours ago, $600 dang feels so good. Made a $600 sale followed by a couple of $100 sales. Am I the only one who feels like $600 sales are hard to come by compared to other sales? Janadine, 13 hours, my third sale. Another $900 sale came in since I'm back in from June, 2,100 in 2 months. Another mommy whose life will change. Congratulations. Kaching, Priscilla. Yes, it happened to me. A sale that I got on Sunday morning with a lazy coffee, $900. Wow, absolutely amazing. Alana made $1 million in South African rand. She's one of 20 members who are based in South Africa who've hit the millionaire mark. And Lynn, $900 sale, relaxing with a book 15 hours ago. It's just the most exciting thing when a sale comes through in a total surprise. Quinn, 1 day ago, another win today, $600. God is good. And Stacy, the mind shift from we need to make money to we need to help. The 3 $900 sales is so much more money. We are honored that these 3 families trusted us to help them. Cherry, 1 day ago, while I was at a 9 to 5, my automated business was working. $900 sale, never give up. Kelsey, 700 while sitting at my neighbor's. I can't believe that I made the choice for this to be my life, right? So these are all the different wins that we have. Destiny, another $900 day while out with my daughter. My favorite part is this another life stepping out boldly for change. Kimberly upgraded to $300. Zelna, $200, another $200. My business is growing. Her YouTube is on fire. And then we have over 30,000 pages of wins, different types of wins, because what we have here is a proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint that anybody can start. You can start with no experience, no technical skills, no following. You don't even have to spend a single penny on paid ads because you get access to the proven step-by-step blueprint complete with live interactive coaching and mentorship. Now, this month, I'm on a mission to work really closely with 12 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business so they can earn enough passive income to replace their 9 to 5 job. That way they can get that time and financial freedom back to spend more quality time with their family. Now, if you would like to learn more about our proven step-by-step blueprint, go ahead and type blueprint in the comments. I'd love to send you a free copy of our Freedom Formula Blueprint. I'll deliver this blueprint to your inbox. Check your spam, check your promotional folder. And once you've gone through the blueprint, respond to my email. Let's have a conversation because I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.